When you think Microsoft Excel, you might think spreadsheets and data management. But what if Excel also supplied reliable data to help you create a dynamic classroom learning experience? We made it happen with linked data types. From finding the molar mass of a chemical compound to learning about the different orbital speeds of planets, data types bring facts and figures directly into Excel, making it faster than ever before for students to learn. Through our partnership with Wolfram, these data types connect to trusted facts and information on hundreds of topics, conveniently grouped and easy to access. Chemistry, anatomy, astronomy, nutrition, and more are all instantly available. And only with data types does the information in a single cell come to life. Easily browse data, insert it instantly, and even use it in calculations or formulas. And to help you get started, we've made several smart templates on academic topics. Students can explore the elements with an interactive periodic table, or track the position of planets in the Planets and Comets template. These smart templates are customizable, so you can adapt them to match your lesson plan, or you can create a new workbook from scratch. And because data types are connected to online sources, students can easily refresh the workbook to get updated data. With data types in Excel, instructors can create dynamic and engaging workbooks on hundreds of topics, so students can spend less time searching and more time learning.